Thank you, sir. I'm grateful to ARC and respected people on the dais for giving me this talk. I don't have any slides for this. I shall be talking extempore. Resident update at another center is a must in today's scenario in ophthalmology because from the mother center you just get the basic knowledge of comprehensive ophthalmology, and to develop any subspecialty plus to get exposure to surgeries, there are some centers where during your residency you do not pick up enough surgery. So our resident update is our update at a center different from the mother center is a must. There are many prestigious centers in the South India, especially LVP, Arvind and Shankar Nethralaya are famous for giving subspecialties exposures. Plus in Delhi, of course, RP Center is there, which gives good exposure. And there are many other centers, like MM Joshi Eye Institute in Hubli. That's also a very good center which gives exposure to all these subspecialties. I think a resident update is a must for any resident who passes out his MS. He is incomplete in his surgical skills, incomplete in his communication skills, and these skills develop much better and much more refined during his update, which is required. I think all the residents coming out as of date are going through the fellowships, and that has changed the scenario of Indian ophthalmology. Probably the place where you do your residency initially does not give you adequate surgical exposure as well, so that also you get at a center which is new and different from your alma mater. That is all what I would like to say in this. Any comments?
Since I was asked to comment, I think I also feel the same. I, in fact, have encouraged some of my residents to go out and see what is going on in other prestigious centers of excellence. In fact, I wanted to talk to Dr. Subhadra also about this and ask her permission to send some of my fellows to observe what's going on in LVP. I think it's a good thing for them to know where they stand, whether they have taken up the right center for training or not, whether MM Joshi Institute is on par with the others or not. At least they come to know where they stand. I think that's one important thing that they come to know. And there's always something to learn from other centers. It may not be academics, it may be something else, maybe the systems.
Basically, so the communication skills also improve.
Communication skills.
I missed out on saying Sitapur. Ma'am is there, so Sitapur is also a good training institute.
So that way, I think I would support this to send.
Yeah, I think every center of ours has its strengths as well as its weaknesses.
Correct.
So I think we should look at where we can balance out the things, and we should send our fellows or residents for a short-term observership
and even long-term
or
is good.
something.
Some of these subspecialties like retina involve a long-term.
No, during our training program, we can
One
only
week, I
send
think,
for.
is enough to know
Yeah.
where they stand. And
Yes,
this-
yes.
this-
Building is good when they go to other institutions. They see things and they know how fortunate they are to be here. And what are they missing? Both ways.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.